Uphold Review 2025 Worth it or leave it? If you've been exploring digital finance in 2025, you've probably come across Uphold, a platform that promises to combine cryptocurrency, traditional currencies, and commodities all in one account. But here's the real question. Is Uphold actually worth using in 2025, or is it just another overhyped fintech app? Today, we're going to break down everything you need to know: the features, fees, pros and cons, and whether it fits your financial goals. Picture this. You want a single platform where you can buy Bitcoin, trade gold, hold dollars, and even send money internationally without hopping between multiple apps or banks. Most people get this wrong. They assume all multi-asset platforms are equally efficient or cheap, but that's far from the truth. Uphold has its strengths, but there are key considerations you need to understand before diving in. What is Uphold in 2025? Uphold is a digital wallet and trading platform that allows users to hold and transact in multiple assets, including cryptocurrencies, national currencies, and even commodities like gold and silver. It aims to be an all-in-one platform for investing, trading, and transferring money globally. The company is fully regulated in the US, which adds a layer of security, but as with any digital finance platform, there are risks involved. In 2025, Uphold positions itself as more than just a crypto exchange. It functions as a multi-asset account, meaning you can diversify your holdings, conduct transactions, and manage your portfolio from a single dashboard. This convenience is appealing, but convenience comes with trade-offs, particularly in fees and accessibility. Key features of Uphold. 1. Multi-asset support. Uphold supports a wide array of assets, from major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, to fiat currency such as USD, EUR, and GBP, as well as commodities including gold and silver. 2. Instant transfers. The platform allows you to send money to other Uphold users instantly, which is handy for friends, family, or business transactions. Global reach. Uphold is available in multiple countries, enabling cross-border transactions without the need for traditional banks or international wire fees. 4. Transparency and security. Uphold offers transparency by showing the exact rates used in conversions and maintains regulatory compliance, including KYC Know Your Customer procedures. 5. Mobile and desktop access. You can manage assets, trade, and transfer money from both desktop and mobile apps. The interface is clean and beginner-friendly. 6. Card integration. Some Uphold accounts come with a debit card option, allowing you to spend your holdings directly, including crypto or commodity balances, in everyday transactions. The pros. Why Uphold can be worth it. 1. Convenience of a single platform. Instead of juggling multiple accounts for crypto, fiat, and precious metals, you can handle everything within Uphold. This is particularly appealing for active traders or users who frequently convert between asset types. 2. Diverse asset classes. Few platforms allow you to hold currencies, crypto, and commodities simultaneously. This flexibility enables more nuanced portfolio strategies, from simple savings to more advanced asset allocation. 3. Fast transfers. Sending funds to other Uphold users is instant, avoiding the delays of traditional banking or international wires. For anyone who regularly sends money abroad or deals with online payments, this is a big plus. 4. Security measures. With two-factor authentication, regulatory oversight, and transparent fee structures, Uphold provides a reasonable level of security and accountability for users. 5. Beginner-friendly interface. Even if you're new to crypto or multi-asset investing, Uphold's interface is approachable. You can track balances, execute trades, and monitor transactions without a steep learning curve. The cons. What to watch out for. 1. Fees can be high. While Uphold is transparent about fees, they are higher than some competitors, especially for smaller trades or certain fiat to crypto conversions. The spreads on crypto transactions can also add up over time. 2. Limited advanced trading tools. Unlike dedicated crypto exchanges or trading platforms, Uphold doesn't offer advanced charting, derivatives, or margin trading. For professional traders, this might feel restrictive. Asterisk asterisk 3. Regulatory restrictions by country asterisk asterisk Uphold is not available everywhere, and certain features, like crypto trading or card use, may be limited depending on your jurisdiction. Asterisk asterisk 4. Volatility risks asterisk asterisk holding cryptocurrencies inherently comes with high volatility. While this isn't specific to Uphold, the platform makes it easy to hold crypto alongside stable assets, which can tempt users to speculate rather than strategically diversify. Asterisk asterisk 5. Customer support limitations asterisk asterisk some users report that support can be slow during peak periods. If you need urgent assistance with transactions or disputes, this is something to consider. You won't believe what happens next. Real-world use case. Let's illustrate how someone might use Uphold in 2025. Imagine you're an international freelancer paid in Bitcoin. With Uphold, you can receive crypto, convert it to USD instantly, and use the Uphold debit card to pay for groceries or bills. No multiple conversions, no waiting for bank wires, and you earn potential gains if crypto appreciates. Compare this to using a traditional bank. You'll need to sell your crypto on an exchange, wait for the funds to clear, then deposit into your bank account before spending. Uphold cuts out multiple steps, saving both time and fees. Most people get this wrong. Understanding fees. Here's a retention hook. Many users think free transfers or crypto holdings mean zero costs. In reality, every platform has spreads, conversion fees, or transaction costs. With Uphold, being aware of these fees, especially for small transactions or frequent trades, is essential to maximizing value. A single $50 transfer may incur a $1, $2 spread, which seems small, but repeated over months, it can add up. Who is Uphold best for? People who want asterisk asterisk multi-asset access in one account asterisk asterisk. Users comfortable with asterisk asterisk online-only financial platforms asterisk asterisk. Individuals who frequently asterisk asterisk send money internationally asterisk asterisk. Beginners looking for a asterisk asterisk simple crypto or multi-asset interface asterisk asterisk without complicated trading tools. Who might want to look elsewhere. Advanced traders seeking asterisk asterisk derivatives or margin trading asterisk asterisk. Those concerned about asterisk asterisk high fees for frequent transactions asterisk asterisk. People requiring asterisk asterisk in-person banking support asterisk asterisk. Real numbers. Earning potential and costs. Suppose you hold $5,000 in Bitcoin on Uphold and make an additional $2,000 in USD. For expenses, you convert $1,000 to Ethereum and spend $500 via the debit card. Considering Uphold's spreads and fees, you might incur around $15, $25 in costs. While not huge, it illustrates that repeated transactions can add up. Meanwhile, your multi-asset exposure could appreciate significantly if crypto markets perform well, highlighting the balance between convenience, potential gains, and costs. The surprising truth about multi-asset platforms. Many people think that having everything in one platform is automatically cheaper or safer. The truth, convenience sometimes comes with trade-offs, slightly higher fees, limited advanced trading features, and reliance on a single company for security. That said, for most casual users, the benefits, especially ease of use, speed, and diversity, outweigh the drawbacks. Final verdict. Worth it or leave it. Uphold in 2025 is a solid choice for users who value convenience, want exposure to multiple assets, and are comfortable with digital finance. It's particularly strong for international transactions, beginners entering crypto, or people seeking a combined portfolio of currencies, crypto, and commodities. It's not perfect. Fees can be higher than some specialized exchanges, and advanced traders may find it limiting. But for the average user looking to consolidate financial activities and manage multiple asset classes in one place, Uphold is worth it. The key takeaway: use Uphold to simplify your financial life, but be mindful of fees, volatility, and transaction costs. With disciplined use, it can save time, reduce friction, and offer diverse investment opportunities all in one platform. If you found this review helpful and want more 2025 FinTech insights, make sure to subscribe for in-depth reviews and comparisons. Let us know in the comments if there's another platform you'd like analyzed next.